Hey guys, it's week number 7 here in Interpretive Practices. And by now, you hopefully have gotten the hang of this and you're very, very familiar with Canvas and with forums and working through this material. As we move forward in this week, you'll find that you're putting more and more of these practices together as we begin and continue to look at passages of Scripture. So, week 7, we're going to be transitioning now. We've taken the first 6 weeks and we looked at the text itself. We have talked about what's behind the text, and now we're going to be looking at ourselves and what we have inherited when we come to a text of Scripture. So this week we're going to be looking a little bit at we're going to be looking at commentaries and the use of commentaries and how that works. I have a little bit of a primer on what commentaries are out there and what sorts that you're looking for in your fuller career, and as you start to build your own library of biblical studies, what you might be looking for with a commentary. Even though we're not using them in this class, we do need a little bit of an introduction to them. So there's a video for that. You'll also be working on a group engagement, a Google Doc engagement where you're color coding your responses. As we look at James chapter 4 and 5, so 4:13 to 5:6. You'll also be posting in forum number 7, Canon and Canonical Criticism. So this is after reading chapter 17 of Hearing the New Testament. Second half of the week, you'll be doing more reading and taking a little bit more look at the idea of social location. A longer group of chapters in Hearing the New Testament, chapters 13 through 16, about what we would call interested readings. And what does it mean when we bring something to the text that helps us to see something we hadn't seen before? So that is the second half of the week, and you'll be giving your responses to the forum of Canon and Canonical Criticism. So looking forward to seeing what you guys have to say this week. And hopefully you are seeing how this affects the way you look at the Bible. And maybe some of this is review for a lot of you, but maybe this is bringing up a number of things. It would be helpful if you have questions to post in the questions forum, course assignment questions, at the first part of the modules page. So take a look at that. If you do have questions, let's have a little bit of conversation about that in that forum, that early forum. All right. Looking forward to seeing what you guys have to say this week. Have a great week.